Today I am going to be showing you how to draw a dog. So I'm starting out with a basic circle shape, and from that circle shape there will be going a curved oval shape, resembling the body and the head. Then you can draw some strokes as the legs, and then the basic shape of the tail, because like this you can add the details more easily, and when you make a mistake it's easier to correct that. When you're done with all the basic shapes, you can add some sub-shapes or even details of your final drawing. But it's important to go from the largest to the smallest. Like basic shape, sub-shape, and then the details. And now on that drawing I'm adding some details like the paws, the legs, the back or the ears. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to be doing the line art for the drawing. And when I'm done with the line art, I'm going to erase the drawing and then color it. And that's it. This is how simple it is. You just have to practice a lot. Just practice, practice, practice. And it's the basis of everything. Everything needs practice. Talent is just something that adds to it and doesn't define it. The definition is on practice. With a lot of talent, no practice, you won't get anywhere. You need to gather experience and routine, motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and things like that. This is just a video showing an easy shortcut on how to draw a dog. It's just a simple video to help you. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. This is all this video is for. And now the erasing and then the coloring again. That's it. I'm going to speed this up because the coloring part is boring and you don't want to see it, probably. So yeah, I'm going to speed this up. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more drawing videos.